Hi, my name is Dave Casuto, and I am the director of San Francisco Computer Tutors here in San Francisco, California. So why should you want to work in computers? The potential is huge. There is no shortage of computers these days, and everybody's using them. Every business is using them. Banks, the government, schools, the financial industry, all over the place, everyone is using computers. So what kind of careers are available for people who know computers? Let's start from the beginning. Graphic designers, web designers. You're on a website right now. Okay, somebody actually had a job to create that. So we've got web designers, we've got graphic designers, and then we've got the web maintenance people. We've got website managers, we've got webmasters, okay, and then we've got the people who update them, who put more graphics in there, etc. Then we've got the we got the system administrators, okay? We've got those people who are basically making the network run, because every corporation has a network, and the network links other parts of their corporation to each other. So we've got an office in New York and we've got an office in California. So the network administrator is going to take care of that. So that's a huge, huge position. We've got a database administrator, or a DBA. A database administrator basically can do so many things. The internet is just one big database. So once you learn things like MySQL and Access and things like that are all about database administration, you can have so many different positions. Now, in terms of salary, salary is also very competitive in computer careers. A lot of these positions with a master's degree, or a master's degree in computer science, or a master's degree in data management and things like that can start at about $70,000 a year. Not too bad. And a lot of times, if you don't want to work as an employee, you can also work as freelance or work in contract work, getting paid by the hour. And these guys can make over $100 an hour. So you can see the potential is massive, and there's tons and tons of positions out there. Every day, more and more positions are available to you, because the computer era is not going away anytime soon. All right, well, I hope you had as much fun as I did. Feel free to contact me anytime at dave@DEYEC, that's DEYEC.com, and you can check me out on the web also at DEYEC.com. Thanks, and have a great day.